Connecting Trust Wallet to Binance is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you have to download Trust Wallet in Binance app from the Play Store. After that, you have to install them and then enter your details in both apps and log in. Here now you have to click on Trust Wallet and open it. When the Trust Wallet app is open, you can see that there are a lot of buttons: send, received, buy, earn, and you can also see many tokens such as NFTs. On the bottom side you can find wallet buttons, a map, discover, browse, and settings button. Here you need to click on the receive button, which is at the top. After clicking on it, you have to search for BNB Smart Chain in the search bar and then click on BNB Smart Chain. After that, you have to click on the copy button to copy the barcode link, which you can then add to the Binance app manually. Alternatively, you can also click on the deposit button. After clicking on it, you will see that the Binance app is visible here. You have to click on it and then your Binance app will open. Now you need to enter your desired amount and click on the confirm button. After that, your trust it will be connected to the Binance app and it's done. This is how you can connect Trust Wallet to Bin.